Lottie. So today's video I'm going through the pink diamond gift from Priceline. So it is the new quarterly gift if you reach pink diamond status. So I got this box of goodies for free for reaching this status, and my husband picked it up for me because I am still a little bit sick. So I'm not able to go out. I'm still in quarantine at the moment. So if you want to see what I got in this box, then make sure you keep watching. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and change notifications to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. All right, let's jump in. Okay, so before we open up the box, just want to quickly touch on, yes, I am still sick. I do still have a chest infection. I am feeling much better today, so I'm just filming a few videos real quickly, but I do sound a little bit nasally still every now and then, a bit sniffly, few coughs here and there. I'll try and cut as much out as possible, but if you can hear that I'm still a little bit nasally, then that is why. All right, so let's jump into what you're all here for, and that is what is in this goodie box that I got for free. Okay, so I have had a quick peek in it already because I couldn't help myself, and I'm very excited to try all these products in here. So opening up the box, and it is full of goodies. So let's start off with the Avenue Soothing by Nature Hydrants Hydrating Sleeping Mask. So it is meant to be suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. So it just comes with a little 2 ml little pouch. So it's meant to provide intense 24-hour long-lasting hydration, and it's nice and luminous and smooth for a fresh and healthy glowy skin. If you see me looking that way, or if you see Macy, she is currently standing on my desk because she is wanting some attention. So she has been in all 3 of my videos that I've done today. Haven't you, darling? Yeah. She's not used to me being out of bed and actually functioning. So she's like, what are we doing? Why aren't we sleeping? So yesterday I did go downhill quite bad, and I spent the day in bed and pretty much 24 hours sleeping. I was so sick, so sick. So today I'm feeling so much better. I'm so excited. So I thought, you know, let's pop some makeup on. Okay, so that is the first product that I got in the gift box. So I'm looking forward to trying this. I will do a patch test before I try it, and anything that I try before I post this video, I will attach a clip in and let you guys know what my thoughts are on the products. So the second product I got in the box is Blessed by Nature Hydrating Mist Toner for all skin types. It's witch hazel, rose water, and calendula for naturally beautiful skin, and it's vegan. So it comes in this massive spray bottle. It's quite big, like as big as my face. So it's 200 mils, and it's meant to provide instant moisture for dehydrated and dry skin, helps close pores after cleansing or toning to remove and combat impurities, absorb excess skin oils on combination and oily skin areas, leaving skin clean and refreshed. I can't speak today. And help reduce skin imperfections. And it's also meant to be non-dry, non-irritating, soothing and refreshing. So you use it after cleansing to tone and soothe, or anytime dry skin needs a hydrating splash of moisture. So it sounds pretty good. So I'm just gonna pop a little bit on my arm so I can smell it. I'm also going to do a patch test with it before I put it on my face. Oh, the mist is not very nice with it. Look at it. It just came out in a massive clunk, so that's not a good thing. Okay, I'm not able to smell fully because I have a chest infection, but there's definitely some breakthrough smell. And because I can smell that breakthrough smell, I don't think I'm gonna like this. I think it is really highly scented, but I'll keep you guys updated on what I actually think of it when I can actually smell again. Okay, so it's just been about 5-10 minutes since I used the hydrating mist toner, and I think my skin's looking a bit glowy. It feels really nice and soft and smooth. It's all dried down now. It was pretty quick. I just used my fan to help dry it down quicker, but it smells nice. The scent does linger, so if you don't like the witch hazel, rosewater, lavender, then it might be a bit too strong for you, but I definitely love lavender scent, so for me it was okay. So I think it did what it did. I'll definitely keep using this. I'll probably just keep it as my backup out here, because I have my one from Dermalogica that I do use on like a daily basis. So I might keep this one out here in case I forget to do it, then I can do it before I put on my makeup. So third product I got in this box was from Batiste. It's dry shampoo and hydrate for hair that's normal or dry, and it's just like a little travel size one. Now I actually use this brand for dry shampoo anyway, so I'm really excited that I got this because I absolutely love this. So yeah, I probably won't add a clip in of me using it because I really do love this anyway, so I'm very excited to have another one to add to my collection. Okay, fourth product I got is an anti-pollution shampooing detox, I think. Yeah, detox shampoo with aquatic mint pollution exposed hair. So it's from Laboratories Chlorane. It's just this little sample. It is 25 mils. It smells like the mint plant. I could smell that. So I think, yeah, this is just like a minty shampoo. I'm not sure if I will actually try this one or not because I do have such a sensitive skin type, and I have flare-ups of psoriasis on the back of my hairline, so along the back of my hairline. So I don't tend to put products back there. That's why I have flyaways. I've got no spray on it because it is so sensitive. So I don't tend to use many shampoo or conditioners that hasn't been recommended to me by anyone other than my hairdresser, because she has seen my skin at its worst and at its best, and she knows what like my hair and my scalp needs. So I probably will give that one to someone else, but it definitely smells like a mint tree basically, so that is pretty cool that it smells like that. Okay, so my fifth product in the box is from La Roche Posay, and it is ultra light fluid broad spectrum sun intolerance, I think. Thermal spring water Antipollution XL. I think it's some sort of sunscreen. I won't try this because you all saw what happened when I last tried a sunscreen. I ended up with an allergic reaction and was out of filming for a week. So I won't try this, but I'm going to quickly open it. Yeah, I haven't squeezed anything out. There's a little bit on the top that you can see, and it looks white, so it looks like a sunscreen. So I will re-gift this to probably like my mother-in-law or something. It's 50 plus SPF. I might even get my husband to use it because just it's a sunscreen. So yeah, I won't try that. Unfortunately, I won't try any more sunscreens on my channel until I've been and seen a dermatologist, so that I can find out what the ingredients are that I am allergic to, so then I don't have to worry about any more reactions. So my sixth product that I got in the box again is from La Roche Posay, and it's Effaclar Gel Massage Purifiant. So purifying foaming gel for oily sensitive skin. So I don't necessarily have oily skin. I have combo skin. If anything, a few dry patches at the moment. So I might pass this one on to my mother-in-law and ask her to give me some feedback on it, because she has quite oily skin, so that would be good for her to try. This is what it looks like. Okay, my seventh product that I got in here is from Asano, and it is Rose Hip Regenerating Facial Moisturizer. So it is 20 mils, and it is made in New Zealand, cruelty-free, moisture, condition and regenerate. So it's got rose hip oil, vitamins, organic jojoba oil, shea butter. Apply after cleansing, gently massage into face, neck and décolletage. It's for all skin types. So that sounds interesting. Let me just quickly, yeah, it's closed up so I won't open it just yet. This is what it looks like here. But I will try this one on camera for you guys. I will do a spot test before I put it on my face, and I will add in a clip of this for you guys. But it looks good and it sounds good, so yeah, I'm excited to try that one. Oh, this is a really strong scent. I'm not really liking this straight up. It feels very heavy on my skin. I don't like the heavy feeling. I like feeling like it's nice and light and then almost like as though you don't have anything on your skin. And this isn't feeling like that. So let's see how it dries down. Okay, so that is all dried down now. I can still definitely feel on my face, which I don't like. I prefer moisturizers that it just feels like when you first put it on, you know, sort of airy, and then it like gets soaked up by your skin and almost like as though you're not wearing anything. Because if I want to feel something on my face, then I'm going to want that to be like makeup, not a moisturizer. So unfortunately I'm not a fan of this one. I think it did its job. I'm nice and soft and moisturized now. It's tiny bit tacky, not loads or anything. So you could probably use this as a makeup primer as well. So my skin is still glowy, it's still showing through. So I think that was from the toner this morning, because my skin is not normally glowy like this. And I'm not oily or anything. That's not like wet or anything like that. I don't have anything else on other than the toner from this morning and now the moisturizer. Also the scent of this is really strong, so I can still smell it, and I think it's been about 10-15 minutes since I put the moisturizer on, so it's very strong and it lingers. Unfortunately, yeah, this one isn't for me, so I will re-gift this to someone else. But moisturizer is like a product that people have different preferences for. So I really like my Olay whipped moisturizers and my Dermalogica Active Moist, I think it's called, and then my nighttime one from Dermalogica as well. Okay, so my 8th product in the box is from Ardell, and it is a pack of Glamour Black false lashes. So that is exciting because who doesn't love some false lashes that are massive? Look how massive they are. It has no glue with it, but that is okay because I have my own glue because I am allergic to some of the glues out there. So yeah, I'm excited to try these. I really want to put them on now, but I don't want to ruin my makeup and spend half an hour trying to put on false lashes. So I will wait and I will use the false lashes on a day when I'm going out or something. So spending half an hour putting them on is then worth it. And my last product, which is number 9, is from Real Techniques, and I was so excited when I saw this in here. So it is a Sugar Crush Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Sponge for foundation and BB cream, and it is hot pink and it has like glitter in it. I'm so excited by this because it just looks so pretty. It looks stunning. This is the sponge. I've used Real Techniques sponges before and I've absolutely loved them. So yeah, very excited about this. Yeah, I have glitter all over my hands now from touching it. So that's a concern that I had with it. So whilst it looks really pretty, I don't think it's as practical because then you're going to have glitter all over your face. I mean, if you want glitter all over your face, then yeah, this is like the perfect product because you're going to be able to, you know, do 2 things at once. Put on your foundation and put glitter everywhere. But yeah, I'm very excited about this. I might actually pull it out and leave it on my desk sort of as like a decoration and not use it because of the glitter. But yeah, I will update you guys and let you guys know if I do use it or if I end up just popping it on my desk. But this excited me so much because how pretty is that? That color and the glitter, it just looks stunning, and I love pink. So that is what I got in this quarter's pink diamond gift box from Priceline. So there was 9 amazing products in there. I'm so excited. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below. It really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and change the notifications to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And if you want to see how I did my look today, I will link it above if it's posted. Otherwise, I will add it to the comments when it is posted. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!